Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. Happy Monday. Today we're going to take a look at some pool noodle hacks and tricks. This is a huge trend right now on TikTok, and here someone is making the infamous pool noodle headboard. So they did a black velvet variation, and I am in love with the black velvet. And here someone is doing the same type of aesthetic, but this time it is gray velvet. I am absolutely loving this trend. You can pick up these pool noodles practically everywhere right now. It is pool season, summer season here in the States. So you can find these pool noodles practically everywhere. Love the way that this black or gray velvet headboard came out. And then we have someone else doing a pool noodle wall. So she's going to do a decorative wall with this type of pool noodle design and the black velvet fabric. So cool. How lovely does that look? Great accent statement wall. It can also make for a great wall divider as well. Absolutely so high end. Loving this trend. So here someone is using the pool noodles as a way to shape their boots, keep their boots organized. This basically keeps the boots stiff. Very clever hack, especially if you have tons of tall boots. So then we have the shorter pool noodle. I don't know if you guys seen this variation as well. It's basically like a shorter version of the infamous longer one. And someone is going to be transforming this into a plant stand. So this is a really cool idea. So she's painting this white. She did kind of like a little speckle effect with the gold. Very cool. And bam. You would never know that that is a pool noodle, not in a million years. Then we have another variation. So they used a longer one, spray painted it black. Added gold leafing, and they were able to make this beautiful vase. Very cool. So we now have someone doing a mirror design. So they are using the shorter ones. They spray painted them black and they placed them alongside their mirror. Very cool. So if you have a toddler, which I actually do, this is going to be a simple hack for keeping them safe. I might actually be trying that one out. And then this next one is for the makeup brushes. So this is a great way to dry your brushes after you wash them. Very cool idea. Definitely one I might consider trying out as well. So then we have someone else making another headboard. So there's so many different ways you can do this. Most of the time you're going to use the soft wood in order to have a backing as well as some type of fabric. You can use velvet, which we're seeing a lot of today. So there's someone they also did a foam mirror. Wow. I love the aesthetic in this bedroom. So pretty. Look at the lights. So here we have someone making another foam headboard. One of the best ways I've seen this trend being duplicated. So they did more of like a neutral theme with that one. Their bedroom looks so relaxing. That headboard is just an amazing DIY project. So cool. So then we have someone doing a tiki torch with a pool noodle. So they have that there in the middle. Then we have some baby shower centerpieces. This can also make for some type of wedding centerpieces as well, or just vases like we saw earlier. So they have some foliage here. Very cool. They could have also spray painted that white. And then we have another foam mirror design featuring the pool noodle. So they're cutting out the shape, putting it around cardboard maybe? So that's what I was going to say earlier. If you want to recreate any of these DIYs, you're going to need some type of cardboard or soft wood, softboard. And then you can attach the pool noodles to that and then go ahead and use the fabric over it. So here's someone, they have an old chair here and they're going to be adding the pool noodles to this. Now, I thought this was a really interesting DIY. I will, however, say that I didn't get to see the full final results, but if she was to spray paint this, add some fabric, not spray paint it, but just add some fabric, I think it would really turn out really cool. Oh, maybe this is the end. Okay, I thought I didn't see the end before, but maybe she does show us. So she used green velvet, which is really pretty color. But you could spray paint that chair and then add in the pool noodles with the fabric as a cushion. So she's using regular, like some type of foam material for more of a cushion. And then she's adding in the foam noodles, pool noodles. And you can do this with any old chair. You just grab the chair, upcycle it. You can get it from the thrift store or an old garage sale. Yeah, so she didn't show us the results. I thought that was the case, but you know, that's too bad. I did like that green velvet color. Alright you guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.